Hi friends, this is a series on the tough words for the GRE, and the words are from the Barron's and the Nova word list. Now what I have tried to do in this series is try to link the meaning of the word, the image of the word, the root and everything to that word, so that things become easy for me. You can get the full video for the 300 tough words from my website, and this is a part of the full recording. So let's start with the words. The first word is Vestibule. It means appearing summer or of summer. The root is Latin estivalis, and estus means summer, so this word means appearing summer. Affront means to insult openly, and the related words could be insult, injury, slur, slight and outrage. Now this word has its root from again Latin, which is affrontare, means strike in the face. So this affront is to insult openly. Alright, let's move. Piffle means nonsense, rubbish, claptrap, twaddle, tripe, bunkum, garbage, tosh and rot. These are all things which have no value and which are nonsense and rubbish things. Okay, let's move to the next one. Anchorite is a hermit, recluse or solitary, against the same thing. Hermit, recluse and solitary, which is a religious recluse, where somebody who lives a recluse life of prayer. This word comes from the Greek word, the ecclesiastic Greek anchorites, and anchori is to withdraw, ana is away, and chorein means move. So it has its root from the Greek words. Antithetical is directly opposite, and the roots are like anti is opposite, and thetical and antithesis, both of the word means exactly opposite. Despondency, it's a state of hopelessness, sadness, dejection, depression, unhappy, gloom, cheerlessness, joylessness, discouragement. So this is the whole category of the word despondency. Maraud is to raid and plunder. The related words are invade, attack, storm, search, break into, ransack, and swoop and assault. Maunder is to talk or move in a confused way. So it can be taken into two connotations. First is to say something vague or incoherent, and the next is to move or act without purpose. So these are the two words, M-A-U-N-D-E-R. Pucker is to gather into wrinkles, to gather something such as cloth or the skin around the lips, or be gathered in such a way that wrinkles or small creases are formed. The related words are gather, wrinkle, crease, ruck and pull. Now this is a word Numskull. It means a stupid or a fool, and you can see this album Numskull, Num World. So it's quite a predictable word. So Numskull is stupid or fool. It's a term which is offensively used that insults somebody who is low intelligent in a way. Ostensible is ostensive, and who is apparent and supposed and perceived, and it's like seeming, alleged or superficial. So it's seeming to be genuine, but it is open to doubt. So ostensible means presented as being true or appearing to be true, but usually hiding a different motive. So this word has the root Latin ostensus, past participle of ostendere, means to show, and tendere means to stretch. So those are the ways in which you can understand the root. So ostensible means seemingly true but open to doubt. The next is quart. Quart is 1/4 of a gallon. Quart, as you can understand from the name itself, so quarter is fourth. So it's a unit of measuring the liquids. Okay, Jalopy is an old car, or a rickety or a battered old car. So Jalopy is another word which you should know. Tempestuous means emotionally turbulent with storms and stormy. Tempestuous. And stormy, rough, turbulent, intemperate, inclement, windy and blustery is the category. Then we have the Warlock. It means a sorcerer, a wizard or necromancer, and enchanter and witch. So it's a sorcerer and wizard. The root is Indo-European, and the category is the sorcerer and witch. Vestibule is a doorway or an entrance hall. The image you can see on the right and the left, and it's a foyer, lobby, antechamber, atrium, hallway, porch and reception area. Next is vicarious, means experience through somebody's experience through another by imagining. So empathic, assumed, imagined, sympathetic and adopted is the related word. Seamy is having an unpleasant quality associated with a degraded or degenerate way of living. So seamy, sordid, seedy, unsavory, squalid, debauched, degenerate, rough and unpleasant are the category words. Remonstrate means to argue strongly. So remonstrate, the related words are argue, protest, object, oppose, complain, squabble, bicker, dispute and gripe. So just take these words into your brain. Indite means to compose, to write or compose something such as poem, letter or a speech. That's the word indite. The next word is fusty. It's smelling of a damp, dust or something which is not smelling good. So the category for this fusty word is fetid, moldy, stale, musty, rotten, mildew and damp. So this is the category for the word fusty. Exiguous means limited, scanty or meager. So barely surviving on their exiguous supplies is the kind of application. The root is Latin exigere, which means weighted precisely. Mousy is drab, colorless, unattractive, plain, unappealing, ugly. So it's resembling like a mouse which you can remember. So it's very drab and colorless. Then we have the kits. It means a trashy art and tasteless and vulgar and cheap, common, cheesy. So you can say this kits, it's a stupid art or a trashy art. Integument means a covering, a skin, a hide, flesh, cuticle, integument and layer. So it's a term which is often used in the morphology and biochemistry, like the crustacean integument or somewhere like that. Infirmity is a clinic, and infirm in the other way can be taken as illness. Frailty, sickness, weakness, disability, susceptibility, ailment, malady and indisposition and ill health. Okay, archetype is a model, epitome, prototype, original or classic. So these are the words which I am going to continue in the next video as well. So I'll continue from the same place. And thank you for watching this recording, guys. For more details you can check out my website.